is Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, and I'm here today to do a challenge that Rebecca from Rebecca Creates here on YouTube has put out a 1 word per day prompt, and we're to do anything we want with the 1 word. So this one's from November 2nd, and it's flowers. So I'm gonna make something using all these flowers. Sorry about that. And I'm gonna go into my scrap bags here and see what I can find and to use to work with the flowers. So I'm gonna see if I have a piece of cardstock in here, and I do. Well, that's not cardstock, but I do have scrap paper in here if I need it. We're gonna use this and use this as the background. So I'm checking for something else to see. No. Okay. Let's check another one. Not that one. Let's check another scrap bag. See what else I can find. I can use this also as a background. We can use music paper as the background. What else? What else? What else? What else? I think we're gonna go with what we have. Okay. So what I'm gonna do here is this. I'm gonna put to the side over here. Also, this I'm gonna put to the side, and we're gonna go with maybe the tissue paper. Maybe. This music paper. Let me check all my options now. This here. Because I'm going to cut this in half. Let me see. This over here. And I can find something else to put over here. Okay, so I'm going to go with this as the background. And move all this to the side. Now, what I want to do is find something else to go here. And let's see what I can find after I move all of this out of my way. Nope. Not this. Whoa. I'll put this down here. And I'm going to... Oh, I know what I can work with. I'm going to work with this paper here. This one right here. This is from Decorate Your Life, and it's Ice Blue Winter. I'm going to use this as my background. Let me trim this down first to the size I wanted. And I want half of this. So I'm just going to fold it and make my little indentation and line up like so. And then trim it. So I'm going to go with this. We're going to move this out for now. I'm going to go with this background here. Let me see. I'm going to go with this one because I want to be able to put my flowers on it. Okay? So I'm going to take this and put my label back on and clip it back together. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on this piece here because I want to use this here along with maybe this flower or these poinsettias. Okay, so let me get my glue and we're going to glue this part down. Okay, so now I want to see where I want to place right here, like so, and burnish it down really well. Whoops, 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 whoops. Not yet. Oh, too late. Okay, so now I'm going to trim it off. Like so. Put this to the side over here. Oh no, I still need that. And we're going to trim off any excess. Like so. And trim off this white piece here. Because that's the border. So we want the border taken off. Now, like I said, I want to use this here. But I want to use it on this side, like so. So, I'm going to take this, like this. Put this right here. I'm going to cut the borders off. Because that's going to give me a more accurate place to trim this down. Okay, put that to the side. Now I'm going to take this, put it like so, and we're going to cut right here. I'm just going to make a mark for my nail, and you can see it gave me that. So what I want to do is this, and then cut along that line. Okay, and then I'm going to take this, I'm going to trim out all this here. So we're going to start here and do this. Okay, right there. I'm going to put this over here and then put the three of the poinsettias over here. Okay. And the poinsettias are from Tsunami Rose. And you can look her up on Etsy. And you can also look up Decorate Your Life on Etsy. Okay. No, I think just one will do. But I can pop them up. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pop them up. So, let's get this off of here for now. And we're going to get our pop-ups. We need one right here. Another one. Another one here. Now I got tape stuck to my finger. And we need one more for this one. Right over here. Okay. Then we're going to do this one. We need 3 for that one. Like so. And I'm going to put this away while I can. Okay, that's that. So we're going to get our poke tool and remove the backings of all of these. Here's one. And before I put it on the card, I will do this. Just to make sure I have it lined up right. And there we go. That's one. Guys, I'm telling you, having the pokey tool is really, really quick to remove the backing of double-sided tape or whatever. And this pokey tool here is from Zena the Sassy Crafter. She's also on Etsy, and you can get your pokey tools made by her on Etsy. I would try to link it whenever I am done here. I want my poinsettia to be like that, catty corner. And what I'm going to do is any excess, I'm going to trim it off. Like so. So we got that all done. Put that to the side in my little trashy bucket that I have off to my right hand side here. And now, we got that done. Let me see something. I want something to tuck a little bit under here. Or maybe a set of bells to put on here. Or a lamp. Nope, I don't want another lantern. So, let me see here. I want it all from the same kit, so I don't know. I think I'm gonna call this one done. We can take this little piece here and put it, oh yes, So I'm gonna trim this up right about there. And then do this. Put that to the side. And we're gonna take this, glue this right here. Okay? And this project will be done. Like so. Press it all down. Get it on there. And that is done. Again, this is for November 2nd, the flower. And I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content or, any new content. So, please be safe, be kind, be crafty, be caring, be blessed, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.